Hey everyone, James here. Today on BlogginGoodFood we are making some silky smooth chocolate ganache. What is ganache? Ganache is a rich, delicious mixture of chocolate and cream. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for frosting cakes, drizzling over desserts, or even making truffles. Simple ingredients. The beauty of ganache is that it only requires a few ingredients, chocolate and cream. That's it. Chopping the chocolate. We will start by chopping up some chocolate, aim for nice, even pieces, no giant chunks. This helps everything melt together smoothly. Semi sweet chocolate works great, but you can experiment with darker varieties too. Heating the cream. Next, we will heat up some cream on the stove top. We want it to simmer, not boil. Boiling can scorch the cream and ruin the ganache. Mixing it up. Once the cream is hot, pour it right over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the chocolate to soften. Then gently stir the mixture until everything is combined and smooth. There should not be any lumps. Cooling down. The ganache will be quite warm at first, depending on how you want to use it. You may need it to cool down a bit. Thicker ganache is great for frosting cakes, while thinner ganache works well for drizzling. Water-based ganache. Did you know you can also make ganache with water? It's a great option for those who are dairy-free.
The process is similar, but you will use a double boiler to melt the chocolate with the hot water.
Fixing broken ganache. Sometimes ganache can separate or becoming grainy. Don't worry, it can be fixed. Just add a little bit of melted butter, cocoa butter, or even coconut oil and stir it until everything comes together smooth. The delicious result. Once your ganache is cooled and at the desired consistency, it's ready to use. We will be using ours to frost some cupcakes, but the possibilities are endless. If you enjoy this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious treats. We also have a whole chocolate recipe playlist you can check out.